hello. Meron, Jane, meron.
Jade.
Jade, hello, Jade. Meron nga. Kailangan nakasunod mo kasi yung boses. Hello po, my name is Jade.
Hello.
Hold on. 21 films.
Hello?
Hello. Meron
Hello?
Okay. Meron long. Narinig ka namin.
Hello, I'm Jade Valentayan and I'm 21 years old and currently second year college and I'm taking Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneur and I live at Palawan, Laguna. And the reason why I'm trying to audition here because I would like to become a TV commercial model at brand ambassador. Kung kahit konting teleserye yung naging extra, it's okay for me to have extra. Okay lang po. Ang parang panahon exposure, advertisement, any advertise sa Shopee, Lazada, or kahit small or large business po.
Before we send out people to teleservice, but we don't like how much we earn in teleservice. So if you guys have ideas, pagka nag-racket-racket tayo as extra or with lights sa teleservice, kung hindi kayo direct, you will only get 350, 500, 600, hanggang ganun lang. Kasi marami na siya dinadaan. Pero kung naka-direct ka, nasa 3,500 to 5,000 to 7,500 to 10,000. Kasi pero usually kasi mahirap to direct kasi marami na siya dinadaanan from the talent scout, another talent scout, another handler, hanggang maubos na lang yung kakaka. So, before we set out to movie shoots, logo, we stop kasi hindi siya worth it yung, for us, hindi worth it yung 500 for 12 hours of work. Yes, Starbucks ko lang.
Mas better for advertising.
Yes.
Kasi more
Mahirap na talaga at first if you don't have experience kasi why would they choose you kung meron naman mas veteran? So you